Are you a realtor struggling to make your listings pop? Imagine this. A potential buyer walks into a home that sparkles and shines, instantly feeling the warmth and welcoming vibe. With TidyTex Home Cleaning, a proudly retired Army veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we turn that dream into reality. Our professional cleaning services ensure homes are not just clean, but transformed into inviting spaces that buyers can't resist. We understand that first impressions matter, especially when showing homes. With our quick turnarounds and special attention to detail, we help you prepare your listings for open houses or buyer visits, ensuring they stand out in a crowded market. Here's a tidy tip for you. Open all the blinds and turn on the lights before a showing. This simple act enhances the home's appeal, making it feel brighter and more inviting. At TidyTex, we're more than just cleaners. We're your partners in elevating your real estate game. Want to know more? Check the video description for our contact information and reach out today to transform your listings into showstoppers.